Hey guys, my name is Sumit and welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to solve LeetCode easy problem, remove duplicates from sorted array. Actually this problem have two flavors. So I will first explain this problem and then I will explain the second flavor of this problem, but maybe we will just solve this problem in this video. So actually this first flavor of this problem says that we are given an array which is in increasing order. It says that in non-decreasing order, which basically means in increasing order, and we want to remove the duplicates from the array, but we want to do that without using any other kind of data structure, because it says that we want to do this in place. So in place means we want to use the same data structure that is given in the problem, and we don't want to use any other we don't want to use any other space, and we want to maintain the order of the elements as well, and we want to have only unique elements. We don't want to have duplicate elements, right? Okay, such that each unique element appears only once. So okay, so basically what we will do, I have put my example like this so that I can explain you all well. So let's take let's take a look at this example, 112. So the idea is that we will take two pointer. So for example, in this case we take one pointer I and j. They both are pointing to index 0, right? Now we will check if the numbers at both index are same or not. If they are same, we will just increase the right pointer. So right pointer, I am using j as right pointer. So I will increase j to right index. Okay, because nums of I, which is like 1, and nums of j also is 1, right? So they both are same. I increase the j pointer to next index. So my next j is here. I again check the same condition. So nums at 0 and nums at index 1, they both are same, right? So I again increase the j pointer to next index, which is index 2. Now I see if condition matches or not. Obviously condition doesn't match because the number is 1 at 0 index and the number is 2 at second index, right? So in that case, I will first increase the I pointer. So when I first increase the I pointer will come to this index, index 1, and then I will replace the number at I pointer with the number at j pointer. So earlier number at I pointer was 1, will be 1, right? Sorry, my I don't know what I am thinking. Sorry. So when I increase the I pointer to index 1, so my number was 1. Now I replace it a number which has been pointed by index j, right? So j is pointing to number 2, so I replace the 1 with 2, right? So now I again increase the j because both numbers are same, but now j is out of bound because it exceeds the array length, so we can't continue the loop. So the I will be pointing to the final um, uh, final element, like final answer, like not final answer, I would say, let's say I is pointing here. So this array is actually zero based data structure, right? So let's say if I is pointing to index is 1, we have answer as 2, right? So we will return I plus 1, right? We don't care about elements after I. We care about the elements before I, before and equal to I, not after that. Okay. So that's, and whatever I will be pointing to, we will add 1 to it because array is 0 based. So we need to add 1 to return the appropriate length. Now let's take a look at this example. So let's see what we are doing here. So in this array, you can see I and j are pointing to same element 0. Okay, elements are matching. Nums at I and nums at j is 0. So we will just increase the right pointer to the right index. So now my j pointer, which is right pointer, is at index 1, right? Again, numbers are same. So I increase j pointer to 1, I mean index 2. Now my numbers are not matching. So first I will increase the I pointer to next index. So my I pointer will come to this index, right? And then I will replace the I pointer with sorry, not I pointer, I mean the number at I pointer with number at j. Okay, so now uh, this 0 is replaced with 1. I is still here, and after replacing I increase the j to next index. So my next j is here now, right? Again I check the same thing. Yeah, this one and this one is matching, so I increase the j. I don't do anything, j is here. Okay, again same thing, this one and this one are matching. I increase the j to this index. So now my j is at this number, j is pointing to this number, I is still here. Now condition here violates because nums at I and nums of j are not same. So I will increase the I first. So I increase the I, which then I will come here, and then I will replace my new I will be here, right? And then I will replace I with nums of j. So earlier, as you can see here, it was 1. After increasing the I pointer and replacing the nums of I with nums of j, it became 2, right? Then I increase the j pointer, so my new j will be here. I will here, a new j will be here. So it should be like this, then increase it like this. Okay, now again I check the same condition if it matches or not. Yeah, obviously this two and this two are same. I will just increase the j. Okay, I won't change I. Now again here, as you can see, when I increase the j and when I check, yeah, if I like numbers at I and j are same or not. Obviously they are not same. So first I will increase I. So I will come to this index, and then I will replace nums of I with nums of j. So as you can see, earlier it was 1, now it has become 3 because nums of j is pointing to 3. Okay, then I will increase the j to next element. I is still here, j is here, right? Now this 3 and this 3 is this 3 and this 3 are same, so I will just increase the j to next 4. Okay, now j is here, I is here. Okay, now as you can see that they both are not same, this 4 and this 3 are not same. I will increase I to next index, so I will come to this index, and I will replace nums of I with nums of j. So earlier, as you can see, nums of I was 1, but now it has become nums of I mean 4, because nums of j is pointing to 4. And then I will increase j, but when I increase j next time, it will go out of bound because it will exceed the array length. Now we will return I plus 1 because I is pointed to index 4, index 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we want to return the length, right? So we have to add 1 to that index in order to return the appropriate length. So let's comment this out. Now let me write the code. Code is very simple. I think you all can write on your own if you have understand this condition. I hope I was able to explain you properly. So we will take 2 pointers in I is equal to 0, in j is equal to 0, and n will be nums of length. Nums of length. Now you can use any loop, while loop or for loop, whatever you want. So till we satisfy this condition, I mean till right pointer is within the bound, it doesn't exceed the array's length, what we will check, if the number which I is pointing to is same or not the number which j is pointing to. Okay, so if we don't have same number, if like for example here, not this one, let me take this example. For example, in this case, if I is pointing to 0, j is pointing to 1, so these two numbers are not same, right? Nums of I is 0, nums of j is 1, so they are not same. So we will first increase I. So that's what we will do. We will first increase I plus plus, and then what we will do, you can see here again. So in this thing, you can see in this window, I mean, you can see I first increased the I, so I came to next index, and then I replaced this element with whatever element, whatever number is there at index j. So at index j it's 1. I replace I with like number at I with number at j, right? So that's what I am going to do. Nums of I is equal to nums of j, and then if it matches, we don't do anything, we just increase the j pointer. And even though we have to increase the j pointer irrespective, because even though it matches or not, so that's why we put it like this, like outside this, outside the if condition. And then we will return I plus 1, because array is a zero based data structure. So I will be pointing to index, we will have to add 1 to return the appropriate line. So let's run the code. So as you can see that this is returning the correct answer. We can use this also. Right, you can check this example also. This is also matching, I mean accepting. And then let's try to submit this. Okay, it's passing, guys. I hope you understand the concept that I was trying to explain, and I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give it a vote, and if you are new here on my channel, please subscribe my channel for new videos, and I will see you in next video. Bye.